Hi, my name is Milo Makarevich. I'm the owner of AtticElite. We do mostly installation projects, commercial and residential. We offer many different services from attic cleanups, crawl space cleanups, all kinds of installations. We provide rat proofing for residential homes. Mostly we do attic cleanups and crawl space cleanups. We also provide radiant barrier installations, moisture barrier installations under the house with the sump pumps, and we also do soundproofing for commercial offices and residential homes. We are different from our competitors because we guarantee to beat any price, we guarantee the satisfaction, and we guarantee our projects are completed on time. We can keep up our quality by having experienced foremen on every crew. So we send foremen to the job sites with the workers. They complete the work with them on the spot, and they are with them from start to finish. And because we're sending the foremen with the crew to the job sites, we can guarantee satisfaction and quality of our work. Some of our certifications are: we are approved contractor for bay rent rebates from PG&E. We are certified to install whole house fans for Quite Cool brand, and we are diamond certified. On the recent job, we had one of the customers so satisfied with our service that he recommended us to his neighbor. So we ended up running on the same street from one house to another for inspection, and we ended up doing 20 homes on the same street. So I started working in installation industry when I was 13 years old. I was coming from Europe for vacation, helped my dad, he was in the same industry. And after the college, I decided to come here and open my own company with some of the workers I knew from the past, and that's how we started in 2019. We serve the whole Bay Area from Santa Rosa down to Gilroy. So we created a 5-step process to be a one-stop shop company for every residential needs in terms of the installation and attic services. We start from cleaning, vacuuming the attics. We provide rat proofing to keep rodents out of your home. We sanitize, air seal, and then we put brand new insulation. This is what separates us from our competitors. Most of the concerns that customers have is that if we are licensed, if we are bonded and insured, also if we are able to finish service in one day, what is the quality of our service. To alleviate those concerns, we do free estimates and free assessments, so we have time and our technician can explain every step of the process to ensure quality and the time we finish. So if you're looking for installation replacement, feel free to give us a call. We do free estimates. We're happy to help.